Stop what you're doing right now, because the nuts sitting in your kitchen cabinet might be aging your brain faster instead of protecting it. Not candy, not processed junk food. I'm talking about nuts people have been told are healthy for years. But after the age of 60, your brain becomes dramatically more vulnerable to inflammation, oxidative stress, and memory decline. And the shocking part? Most people are eating the wrong nuts, prepared the wrong way, at the wrong time of day. Meanwhile, 3 specific nuts, backed by neuroscience research, have been shown to support memory, blood flow, nerve repair, and even the growth of new brain connections. And the number one nut on this list is the one researchers now associate with measurable improvements in cognitive performance in older adults. Not a supplement, not a prescription, food. My name is Dr. William Lee. I'm a physician, researcher, and author who has spent over 25 years studying how food affects aging, circulation, inflammation, and brain health at the cellular level. I've worked alongside researchers studying neurodegeneration, metabolic disease, and cognitive aging. And one thing becomes very clear after 60. Your brain does not simply wear out. It responds to the environment you create inside your body. Research from institutions including Harvard Medical School and UCLA now shows that specific nutrients found in certain nuts can improve blood flow to the brain, reduce inflammation, support neurotransmitter signaling, and protect neurons from age-related damage. In fact, some studies suggest that regular intake of these compounds is associated with up to a 40 to 50% lower risk of cognitive decline over time, not through medication, but through consistent nutritional support. And before anyone misunderstands this, I'm not saying nuts are miracle cures. I'm saying your brain is biologically hungry for specific compounds, and most modern diets are starving it. Today, I'm going to show you the only 3 nuts I consistently recommend for adults over 60, ranked from number 3 to number 1, based on the science of brain aging and neuroprotection. Some improve circulation, some protect neurons from oxidative damage, some help your brain produce the energy it desperately needs after 60. But the number 1 nut is the one most people are either avoiding unnecessarily or eating in a way that destroys its brain protective effects completely. So don't skip ahead, because each nut builds on the last. Before we begin, I want you to comment below. What's your age? And have you noticed changes in memory, focus, or mental energy over the past few years? Because what you're about to learn may explain more than you realize. Let's start with number 3. Number 3, pistachios, the blood flow nut. Now this surprises many people, because pistachios are usually associated with snacks, not neuroscience. But the brain depends heavily on one thing most older adults gradually lose: healthy circulation. Your brain only weighs about 3 pounds, yet it consumes roughly 20% of your body's oxygen and energy. And after 60, blood vessels become stiffer, nitric oxide production declines, and brain cells begin receiving less oxygen-rich blood. That's where pistachios become interesting. Pistachios are rich in L-arginine, vitamin B6, polyphenols, healthy monounsaturated fats. L-arginine helps your body produce nitric oxide, which relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation. Think of nitric oxide like oil inside old plumbing. Without it, flow becomes restricted. With it, everything moves more smoothly. A study published through Penn State researchers found that pistachio consumption improved vascular flexibility and blood flow markers significantly in older adults. And when circulation improves, the brain benefits immediately. I worked with a 69-year-old retired engineer who constantly described his thinking as foggy, not dementia, just slower. He began replacing processed afternoon snacks with a small handful of pistachios daily, combined with walking after dinner. Within months, his mental fatigue improved noticeably, not overnight, but consistently. And that's how brain recovery usually works, gradually, biologically. Choose unsalted pistachios, 1 small handful daily. Avoid sugar-coated or heavily roasted versions. Combine pistachios with light daily walking, because movement increases blood vessel responsiveness and amplifies circulation benefits. Now, number 2 goes much deeper, because this next nut affects the actual structure of brain cells themselves. Number 2, walnuts, the brain structure protector. If you look closely at a walnut, it almost resembles a human brain. And strangely enough, the science behind walnuts is one of the strongest in cognitive nutrition. Walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, polyphenols, vitamin E, ellagic acid. These compounds help reduce oxidative stress, one of the primary drivers of brain aging. Now let me explain why this matters. Your brain is incredibly vulnerable to oxidation because it uses enormous amounts of oxygen every single day. Think of oxidation like rust forming on metal. Over time, that rust damages neurons, weakens memory signaling, and accelerates cognitive decline. Researchers at UCLA found that higher walnut consumption was associated with improved cognitive test performance in older adults across multiple memory categories. And another study published in the journal Nutrients showed that walnut-rich diets improved learning and memory markers in aging populations. But here's what most people don't realize. The benefit is not just the fat. It's the combination of healthy fats and antioxidants working together. That combination helps protect synapses, the tiny communication points between brain cells. Think of synapses like telephone wires. When they weaken, signals become slower and less reliable. A 73-year-old woman came to me terrified about memory decline because her mother had Alzheimer's disease. She wasn't forgetting everything, but she noticed names and words becoming harder to retrieve. We focused on sleep, movement, and daily walnut intake alongside an anti-inflammatory diet. 6 months later, her energy improved, her focus improved, and most importantly, her fear began fading. Because she finally felt proactive instead of helpless. Eat walnuts raw or lightly roasted, about 1 ounce daily. Store them properly to prevent oxidation. And this next point matters more than people realize. Rancid walnuts lose much of their protective value. Healthy fats are delicate. Heat, light, and air damage them over time. Pair walnuts with berries, because the polyphenols work together to reduce inflammation more effectively than either alone. If this is changing how you think about brain aging, take a second to like the video and subscribe. Because most people are never taught how nutrition affects the brain biologically. They're only told memory loss is normal aging, and those are very different conversations. Now, here's the one that changes everything. The nut researchers increasingly connect with brain energy itself. Number 1, macadamia nuts, the brain repair fuel. Most people completely overlook macadamia nuts. Some avoid them because they're high in fat. Others assume they're just luxury snacks. But what researchers now understand about aging brains makes macadamias incredibly important, especially after 60. Because your brain is made largely of fat, not harmful fat, structural fat. And one specific fat becomes critically important as the brain ages: palmitoleic acid. Macadamia nuts are one of the richest natural food sources of it. Now, why does this matter? Because aging brains often struggle with inflammation, insulin resistance, reduced cellular energy production, damage to myelin. Myelin is the protective coating around nerves. Think of it like insulation around electrical wires. When insulation weakens, signals become slower and less efficient. And researchers now believe healthy fats play a major role in maintaining these protective structures. A study from metabolic neuroscience researchers found that monounsaturated fat-rich diets were associated with better cognitive resilience and lower inflammatory activity in aging adults. And macadamias contain some of the most stable monounsaturated fats found in nature. But here's the deeper issue most people never hear about. After 60, many brains become less efficient at using glucose for fuel. That's one reason mental fatigue becomes so common. Healthy fats help provide a steadier alternative energy source for neurons. Think of it like switching from unstable, cheap fuel to a cleaner burning energy system. A 74-year-old former teacher described her brain as feeling tired by noon every day, not sleepy, mentally drained. We adjusted her breakfast entirely. Less sugar, more protein, a small portion of macadamia nuts, and within several months, her afternoon crashes became far less severe. Again, not magic, biology. Now here's the mistake most people make. They buy heavily salted, oil-roasted macadamias coated in processed seed oils and preservatives. That destroys much of the benefit. Choose raw or dry-roasted macadamias. Small handful daily. Avoid flavored commercial varieties. And there's something even more important. Timing matters. The brain appears especially responsive to healthy fats earlier in the day, when cortisol and energy demands are naturally higher. Combine macadamias with a protein-rich breakfast and morning sunlight exposure to support stable brain energy throughout the day. Now, let's talk about the nuts I intentionally did not put on this list, because this part matters too. Many commercial mixed nuts contain excess sodium, added sugars, damaging seed oils, oxidized fats, and peanuts, while technically legumes, are often contaminated with inflammatory compounds and mold exposure when poorly processed. This doesn't mean they're poison, it means quality matters. Your aging brain becomes less tolerant of chronic inflammatory stress over time. That's why the source, preparation, and consistency matter just as much as the nut itself. Let's bring this together. Your brain after 60 is not powerless. It's adaptable, but it needs support. Pistachios, for circulation and oxygen delivery. Walnuts, for oxidative protection and synapse support. Macadamia nuts, for brain energy and structural repair. This isn't about perfection. It's about creating the conditions your brain needs to function properly. And the most important thing I want you to hear is this: it's not too late. Your brain can still form new connections. Your focus can improve. Your mental energy can stabilize, even after years of decline. Because the brain is constantly responding to signals, and every meal you eat sends one. If this video helped you understand brain health differently, subscribe for more evidence-based insights on aging, metabolism, and longevity. Because the more you understand your body, the more control you gain over your future. And now I want to ask you, which of these 3 nuts do you already eat regularly, and which one are you going to start adding this week? Leave your answer in the comments below.